Hi guys, this is Teacher Mel and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Shout out to all my subscribers and watch out, okay, to all my maths fanatics. Today we're going to learn about division of fractions, okay. But before we start, please don't forget to subscribe. Click the bell below so that you will get notified when I uploaded the next video. Alright, so are you ready to learn? Let's go! Okay, so since our topic is dividing fractions, okay, so for example, if you have 1/4 divided by 9/10, right? So in dividing of fractions, okay, you just have to copy this one. So 1/4, you just copy the first fraction, so 1/4, and instead of divide, so you just change it into multiply, okay, and okay, instead of copying the divisor, okay, which is 9/10, you have to swap the position, okay, so 9 will go down and 10 will go up, okay, so it will become 10/9, right? So that's how to divide fraction. Copy the dividend or the first fraction, and then instead of division, so we change it into multiplication, and then we swap the position of the divisor. So 9 will go down and 10 will go up, so that's why it becomes 10/9. Okay, alright, now as you can see here, 4 and 10 are both divisible by 2. Yeah, so you can divide it by 2. Okay, so 4 divided by 2 is 2, right? And then 10 divided by 2 is 5. And now, do you still remember the process on how to multiply fractions? So it's the same process. So it will become 1 times 5 now. So 1 times 5 over, it will become 2 times 9. 2 times 9. Okay? And the answer will become 1 times 5 is 5. And then 2 times 9 is 18. And that is the answer when we divide 1/4 by 9/10. Alright? Okay, so it's quite easy. Let's take another example. Okay, for the second example, so if you have, let's say, 1/3, yeah, divided by 6/9. Okay, so again, what is our first step? Our first step is copy the dividend, so the first fraction, so that is 1/3, right? And then instead of division, we change it into multiplication, right? Then the divisor will gonna swap the position, so 6 will go down and 9 will go up, so that's why it will become 9/6. Okay, so as you can see here, 3 and 9 can divide by 3 and 9 are divisible by 3. Okay, so 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. Okay, so what is 1 times 3? So it will become 1 times 3 over 1 times 6. So 1 times 6. 3 is 3, and 1 times 6 is 6. Yeah? So, but 3/6 can simplify into into what? Into 1 over 2. Okay? Because 3 and 6 are both divisible by 3. So when you divide 3 by 3, it will get 1. Okay? It will give you 1. And then 6 divided 3, it will give you 2. So when you divide 1 over 3 by 6 over 9, the answer will become 1/2 or 1 over 2. Alright? So let's take another example. Okay, so for the third example, for example, if you have 5 over 10, okay, divided by 6 over 12. Okay, so again, what is the first step? So first step is you copy the dividend or copy the first fraction, which is 5 over 10. And then instead of division, so you're gonna change it into multiplication. Alright, now, okay, so now since you change the division operation into multiplication, so now you have to swap the divisor. Okay, 6 will go down and 12 will go up. So that's the process. So that's why it will become 12 over 6. Alright, and now you, as you can see here, right, so 10 and 12 are divisible by what number? Okay, so 10 and 12 are divisible by 2, are both divisible by 2. Yeah, so 10 divided 2 is what? So 10 divided by 2 is 5, and then 12 divided by 2 is 6. Okay, so what is 5 times 6 now? 5 times 6 is 30. Yeah, and then 5 times 6 again is 30. So to simplify, 30 divided by 30 is 1. So the answer, when you divide 5, okay, so for the last example for this topic, so for example, if you have 7 over 11 divided by 1 over 6. Okay, so again, what is our first step? So copy the first fraction, which is 7 over 11, then change the division operation into multiplication. Okay, and then so swap the position of 1 over 6. So 1 will go down and 6 will go up. So it will become 6 over 1. So but as you can see here, there is no number which we can divide, okay, by a particular number. So in this case, we just simply multiply directly. Okay, so what is 7 times 6? 7 times 6 is 42, and then 11 times 1 is 11. Alright, now in this fraction we can put it into mixed number. So how many 11 can you make from 42? Okay, so the answer will become, so we can make 3 11, and that is 33. Yeah, of remainder 9 over 11. Alright, so how did I get that? So we can just simply 42 divided by 11. So we can make 3 11 out of 42, and that is 3. 3 times 11 is 33. So this one will become 3, and this one is 12. So 12 minus 3 is 9. So 3 here is this, and then remainder 9, this one over 11. So the answer is 3 9 over 11. Alright, by 6 over 12, the answer is 1. Alright, so okay. If you want to learn more about maths, so please don't forget to subscribe like and share my videos. Then stand by for the upcoming videos. Okay, so thank you so much.